Learn how to make the best homemade graham cracker crust. Start by adding 204 grams of honey graham crackers to a food processor, but only add in about half of them. Next, add in 113 grams of softened butter, but don't toss that butter wrapper. Use it to grease a 9-inch pie pan. Next, add in 57 grams of cane sugar directly on top of the butter, as this will help the butter from sticking to the sides of the food processor. Last, add in the remaining graham crackers. This method is my top trick for making quick graham cracker crust that won't stick to the food processor, and it's what we used in my bake shop for over a decade. Process on high until you have a uniform mixture. It really helps to shake the food processor. Transfer the graham cracker crust to the pie pan and spread it out evenly. Next, using your hand, pull up graham cracker crust onto the sides of the pan first and lightly press against the pan. Then press the remaining graham cracker crust into the bottom of the pie pan. You can use this homemade graham cracker crust for any kind of sweet cream pie recipe, pudding pie recipe, or even cheesecakes. Bake at 350 degrees for about 5 minutes or until the crust looks dry and golden brown. Don't forget to like and subscribe.